Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you step by step how to turn off contact suggestions in your TikTok account. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel and watch this video till the end. First of all, you have to open your TikTok profile by clicking on right bottom your profile icon. After that, here you have to click on top right 3 lines. Now here you have to click on settings and privacy. After that, here you have to click on privacy again. When you click on privacy, here you have to click on suggest your contact to other. After clicking on it, click on contacts at the top and turn off it. Here you can see the contact on the top, you simply have to turn it off. In this way you can turn off contact suggestion in TikTok. Thanks for watching this video.